Let me show you how you can easily export your history in Microsoft Copilot. So if you ever want to export your activity history, it is super easy to do from Copilot. Click your account in the lower left hand side. If you're not seeing your account, no worries. Just simply look to the upper left and you'll find the expand sidebar. You can open the sidebar right here and then you can click on your account. Click on the image of your account because if you click on the name, it's not going to do anything. So click on the image, then go to the settings. From here, you want to basically click on your privacy and scroll down to the bottom and you will find export and delete history. This is going to take you over to your Microsoft account. And so once you do so, it's going to go directly to privacy within your account. And here you can see that it's showing your Copilot activity history and you can export all your activity right here. So it says export all activity for apps. You scroll down again, you have it for history for chats. As you can see, chat activity history. You can easily click on that and it's going to download a CSV file for you, as you can see right there on my PC. And if you scroll on again, you also have the Windows app as well. You can export as well. And that's pretty much it, guys.